We all know that planning permission is a complex and somewhat tedious process. There is a science to it. It's a step-by-step process once you know all the steps and the things to avoid. Unfortunately, a lot of people lodge for planning without the right team of expertise behind them, and they fall foul of some of the pitfalls, such as lodging for planning permission when they don't actually qualify for planning permission in the first place, particularly in the countryside. Lodging for a complex planning permission when they don't have the benefit of a pre-planning application. Inadequate design information or planning guidelines not adhered to, and incomplete or insufficient engineering or percolation information. All these elements will actually invalidate a planning application and send you back to the very start. So how could this be done better? At KMC Homes, we only use architects designing new homes who are also experts in planning permission. We always lodge for a pre-planning application, and indeed we also have access to planning consultants if we need them. We only use engineers who are specialists in EPA guidelines and percolation tests, and these engineers will liaise with your local area engineer. Our process above guarantees we give you the very best chance of getting planning permission first time. The next video on project management for your new home is coming to you very soon, but if you'd like to watch that video right now or book a design consultation with me, Kieran McCarthy, then hit the link below.